Having high income does not automatically lead to a comfortable retirement. In fact, maraming high income professionals are the most vulnerable to retirement problems. Doctors, lawyers, executives, consultants, specialists. Many professionals earn very well during their careers. Oo, malaki yung kita. But income alone doesn't guarantee financial independence. That's the biggest problem. Because when your lifestyle grows with your income, your financial pressure also grows. Parang kailangan ma-maintain yung income na yon. So the challenge for high-income professionals is this. Your career generates strong cash flow today. So malaki yung kita ngayon. But most of that income depends entirely on your time, expertise, and energy. So habang malakas, habang bata, habang maraming clients. If you stop working, the income stops. That's a problem. And that creates a dangerous situation. High lifestyle but very low passive income. So pati ako nakaka-relate ako dito. So this is what I call the retirement gap. When your lifestyle requires a certain income, but your assets are not yet producing that income. So we don't have enough assets that gives us income. So for many professionals, that gap only becomes visible in their 40s or 50s. And by then, the pressure to catch up becomes very real kasi paubos na yung time. High earners also face another trap. Because income is strong, it's easy to delay planning. Tsaka na yan. I'll invest later. Or I'll start when things slow down kasi ang dami pang ginagawa. I'll deal with it. After this busy season kasi ang daming clients. But careers move fast. And decades pass faster than most people expect. The professionals who retire comfortably usually do three things early. So let's take note, including ako. First, they convert active income into long-term assets. Second, they build multiple income streams outside their profession. And third, they structure their retirement intentionally, not accidentally. So retirement planning for professionals isn't about cutting lifestyle. It's about building a financial structure that can eventually replace your income. Dapat palitan ka ng pera mo eh. Because financial independence means having the option to work, not the obligation. Yung gusto mo, magtatrabaho ka lang kasi gusto mo. You work hard to build your career. But your career should not be your only retirement plan. The real goal is simple. You turn your success today into freedom tomorrow. Most people think they are doing okay financially until they actually compute their retirement numbers. And that's why I created something called the Retire Scorecard. It's a simple assessment tool that tells you if you're actually on track for retirement or if you're heading toward a financial gap. It only takes 2 to 3 minutes to answer itong tool na to. PDF file lang siya, so simple lang siya. And once you're done, I'll personally review your score and show you what adjustments you can make to improve your retirement plan if you want to. If you want a copy of the Retire Scorecard, just comment RETIRE, RETIRE below, or send me a message so that I can email it to you. So I need your details, your email address. Because the truth is, retirement is not something we should guess. It's something we should compute. So if you're a professional earning well, but haven't yet structured your retirement plan, follow me here sa page ko, right? Because next, we'll talk about another group that faces the same challenge, business owners.